Well, yes, sir, I did. And I thought that you'd be... Well, no, sir. But you don't understand, sir.
Mr. McCabe, can I talk to you about something?
Not now, Mitchell. Do you know that there's been another woman murdered?
No, sir.
Well, there has been. Number 3. You know where Stiles is?
Yes. Sir,
I want him at the murder scene ASAP. Any questions?
Yes, sir, one. Why are you yelling at me?
Because the mayor yelled at me. And it rolls downhill, sonny boy.
You feel better now?
No. All right, what the hell did you want to talk to me about?
About the dent on your car.
Where?
About here on the right side, where a black Jeep door would hit it if somebody were to open it too fast. But it can wait. I'll get Jake ASAP.
Mitchell!
The bruisers tell us he's a big guy who hits hard and leaves Major Wells slightly to the left, which would indicate he's right-handed. And the knife wounds ought to bear that out. Now, as for the knife itself... Hey, Barber! Go to your right a little. Check over there. No, a little bit more.
I got something! A knife!
What are you, psychic, for God's sakes? I'm serious, man.
I mean, how the hell did you know that? Well, you quarterback enough years, you realize a right-handed guy throws naturally to the left. And if he's fairly good sized, he could throw a knife about that far. Goldman. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. I'm on my way. He's a big guy, about 6'1", 6'2", probably on foot, and right-handed.
Hey, Goldie.
Yeah.
What do you have for breakfast?
Hands tied behind her with her own pantyhose, mouth smeared with lipstick, beaten and strangled.
Same M.O.
Yeah, just like the other two. It's so strange. All the signs of rape, but no consummation. Okay, Chris.
How's it going, Arnie?
Hey.
Get a tight shot of this lipstick in, right?
Yeah. Ah, jeez, 12 shots. That's all they give you, 12 shots. Can't shoot a crime scene with 12 shots. Get a reload.
Get the film.
Reload.
Well, just go get some more film.
Yeah, I'll get some film. I'll be right back.
I think we might have a psychopath on our hands here.
Yeah. Every reporter in town has turned this into another Jack the Ripper. He's on, Jake. Both the chief and I got put on the hot seat at the same time. So we're doubling up. I can hear that mayor now. Your best, gentlemen. Your very best men. Do you understand?
Who?
Well, you're my best man, Jake. And Hank Goldman, the golden boy, is the best in homicide.
The limp's no better. Cordova cracked him pretty good in that Monday night game.
Oh, I saw the instant replay 8 or 9 times. I don't know how the man ever got out.
Hey, Mr. McCabe, I'm sorry I'm late. I got caught up in another case.
That's all right. You guys know each other?
Yeah, how you been, Hank? Good to see you.
I'm okay. Smart them putting us together.
Listen, I'll fill you in on what's going on. Meantime, you take care of your foot, all right?
Yes, Jake. I'll take care of my foot.
So, what's our first move?
Victim number 3, his name was Mandy Nickerson.
Victim number 3, they end up being nothing but numbers.
Neighbors gave you a name on her best friend. That Beverly Hills work address.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hello?
Hey, you're kidding. They do. That's great, Willie. It's my agent. I know it sounds dumb, but that book I wrote, Quarterback Cop, they want to turn into a TV series. I'm telling you, there's money to be made if you've got a badge. You ought to write a book, Jake.
All right, one. Hell, I don't have enough time to read one.
Yeah, well, hop in, I'll drive.
Jackson.
Hello?
Over here.
Well, they want to get me created by royalties.
Call that in?
I don't know what that means. How much? Really? Technical advice.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
But now, please.
That...
Let's
Really?
go, Hank.
We gotta,
I've got to get going here. But listen, I want you to set up a meeting for sometime next week. Yeah. Okay. That'd be good. So, I'll talk to you later, Willie. Okay. Yeah, bye-bye.
Do you own this place, Miss Ross?
No, I just work here.
But you live in the marina. It's got to cost. And you bought a $300,000 condominium on what, $8 an hour?
I saved.
Miss Ross, your friend's murder is identical to 2 other victims. Both victims worked for an escort service called After Hours.
Now, we know that Mandy didn't work for that service, but we suspect that she did work for a service somewhere.
And you suspect I do too.
Suspect? Well, you don't make the kind of money she made, and you don't make the kind of money you make by selling dresses.
Escort services are legal.
Exchanging sex for money isn't.
Lighten up, Hank.
Yeah, right.
We get tips. They're legal too.
All right. Miss Ross. I apologize for my friend. It's been a very long day. I don't want to take you downtown because it's a lot of time, a lot of paperwork, okay? I'm looking for a man who's killing women, okay? If you can give me any information at all, I'd sure like to hear it.
Mandy worked for a service. I did too. I quit this morning. We're all scared to death. But I don't know anything that can help you, I swear. I'm sorry.
Thank you for your time.
Enchanted Escorts, how can I help you?
Mandy was a lovely girl, and I'm devastated by her death. Frankly, I'm terrified, and so is everyone else at Enchanted Escorts.
These women, Miss Andrews, they're not required to engage in sex with any of the men that they escort, are they?
Absolutely not. But these are adult women, and our clients are adult men, and whatever
Goes on between 2 consenting adults in privacy is, of course, their own business.
You have the client names?
Mandy's date last night was with a Mr. Carter, William Carter. He was a stockbroker from Chicago.
I see. I don't suppose you do any background checks on these men, do you?
We just don't have the facilities or the personnel.
There were 2 other victims who also worked for escort services. Maybe you're familiar with their names. Irene Houston, Nicole Cheney.
Yes, Irene and Nicole worked here before they went to After Hours.
Did they ever complain about the conduct of a client or ever find anything strange about them?
Irene did. We have a special weirdo file. Here. His name was John Blackman.
Did you get physical with it?
No. Didn't get physical. You know, I've seen guys question people before. I've seen them come on kind of hard, but this was different. I don't know.
There have never been any complaints lodged against him.
Maybe not.
This town's full of everything sleazy. 11 years I've been a cop, I've seen more human sewage dwellings. I guess we'd be out of a job if this were a city of saints. Oh, speaking of garbage.
Oh, hey, the golden boy.
Number 11, Prevert Parade.
That'll do it for tonight, thanks.
Well, this here Jake is Jimmy the Weevil. Yeah, he's one of the town's leading garbage merchants. He owns what you might call a sleaze shop in Hollywood and deals in the kinds of strange artifacts intended to stir the most twisted libidos.
I fill a need.
You're a maggot.
Do you know why you're here?
Hey, no. They wouldn't say, you know? I mean, they just pick me up. Is that constitutional, huh? Can they do that? I mean, hey, this is America, brother.
You're here concerning the investigation of 3 murdered women.
What? Hey, man, I do a little bit of sleaze on the side, you know? I mean, the man is right about that. Come on. But, hey, murder? Hey, no way, man. I mean, not me.
You're lying, Jimmy boy.
Telephone.
Sit down, Jimmy boy. Please. Now, let's you and me engage in a little straight talk, shall we?
McCabe's on 1.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Look, JL, I know the mayor is anxious. If he thinks he can do a better job, why doesn't he come down and solve the case? Tell him that. All right, I'll get back to you.
What's going on? Jimmy and me were having a conversation, isn't that right, Jimmy?
Yeah, sure.
Kelly, clean him up. Get him home.
What you just did is not the way I operate.
But we're not dealing with normal people here. I know that guy. He'd rape his mother and feed her to dogs. He's perfect. He fits the MO.
I want a conviction, Hank, but I'm not gonna get it with you bouncing people off the walls. I don't work that way. Now, you can walk or I'll throw you out, but this is over.
All right. It just makes me sick to see a scum like that walking the streets. We'll do it your way. Hands off.
Have any luck running down Weevil's alibis?
No strong evidence. For one, he claims he was at a party, but was too stoned to remember where it was or who he was with.
Right.
Number 2, he swears he was in Mexico.
All right. Where in Mexico, did he say?
Specifically? Quote, someplace hot that started with an X or a Z.
Well, that helps. Okay. Number 3, anything?
At a new products convention.
You're kidding me.
Oh, yeah. They have them. I'm checking the unofficial guest list to see if someone can corroborate Mr. Weevil's attendance. He could be our guy.
Yeah, maybe.
Goldman slapped him around pretty good, huh?
Oh, yeah. Hank's taking this whole thing way over the top.
You, want to have McCabe go to the mayor and try to have him taken off the case?
No, I thought about that. If something's wrong, I'd rather have him close to me so I can keep an eye on him.
You think he knows something we don't?
You're talking about withholding evidence to get a bust? It's a pretty big one.
He's got a big ego and a flawless track record. Maybe he intends to try to keep both intact.
I've never done it this way before. You're gonna be nice to me, right?
What are you doing? Please, stop! Don't hit me! Don't! No way!
Hey, Arnie, get a shot of this. We'll be moving it.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, Frank, you should bag everything in here, okay? Everything, right?
Yeah, okay.
No lipstick this time. Maybe he was in a hurry to get out.
Sorry, guys. Let me just get in here and get some shots.
Usually don't change the patterns. Why would he change it now?
I don't know, maybe the phone rang, maybe she screamed.
She's got some blood on her earlobe. Took her earring. He's never taken anything before. Why would he do it now?
Yeah, well, you know, they do stuff like that. It's a signature. I had this one guy, he took a shoe from each of his victims, another took a lock of hair. Now, I'm telling you, this whole thing smells of Weevil. Now, he loves sexual souvenirs, and he always goes for high-class hookers. I mean, you can call them what you want. You can call them companions or escorts. They're still hookers.
Did you read the reports Jake sent?
I read them, but I can't relate to hypothetical situations. There are so many variables.
Dr. Jake has got to know this guy in order to catch him. He ties his victims up, beats them, and kills them. And then he paints their faces with lipstick. What kind of a guy would do something like that?
All right, let's try this. We've got a man, theoretically, who tries and can't have sex. Now, this triggers something. A subconscious memory, hatred or fear that could cause a violent rage. Now, the woman represents the hatred or fear, so he beats and kills her. Damn it. Derek, it is too damn hypothetical.
Doctor, we've got to have some kind of specific profile to work from.
All right, he kills her. And, almost instantly, he regrets it. And with the same pathology that caused the violent rage in the first place, he tries to restore her by painting her with lipstick.
Does he know what he's doing when this is happening?
He may not. It could be a case of denial. Let's say that the killer had witnessed something in his childhood that caused the impotence. Somehow there was terror attached to it. Now, these feelings are buried. Then in later life, the feelings emerge, and his response is denial. He can't deal with the terror, so he shuts it out.
Then he kills.
Yeah?
Come on, Jimmy. Talk to me.
Hey, okay. All right, like I said, I ain't no Mother Maria, okay?
If you mean Mother Teresa, you ain't even close. Jimmy, look at this stuff. Yeah, you ought to be ashamed.
Hey, who's denying, huh? What am I denying here, huh? I serve customers. They come in. Hey, I make a living, okay? And I don't hurt nobody.
Yeah, as long as you don't call killing hurting nobody.
I didn't kill nobody. All right, okay, you're right. I am slime. Maybe, huh? Because I carry the slimy merchandise, whips and chains and bondage. But I don't kill people.
Okay, Jimmy. But you're under a microscope. You understand? Yeah, like bacteria. Now you even drool, and I'll be there.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Jake, I'm sorry I'm late. You know, sometimes I think I spend more time talking to my agent than I ever did my ex-wife. Maybe that was a problem.
How long were you married? Long time?
Yeah, 14 years. I was a football hero. She was a cheerleader. Yeah, you read about stuff like that in the paper, right? Yeah, perfect marriage gone to hell. Shortly after that, my football career went to hell. Yeah, it's like a crack in the mirror. Once it starts, it spreads, and there's no stopping it.
Well, I don't know about that, Hank. How many guys ever make it to the top of 2 careers, huh?
Sometimes I think it ain't worth the pain.
Ah, here you are, Jake. The photographs you've been waiting for.
Thanks, Les.
Let's get to work.
All right. You want some coffee?
No, thanks.
Okay. Leave it off.
Hey, Hank. Taking a breaking and entering now, huh?
You killed those women?
No. I swear, Hank. Hank! Hank!
What's that?
This is how you're gonna kill yourself. Oh, yeah. So you knew I was onto you. Yeah. And you knew you couldn't hack it in jail, so you did the only thing you could do.
I don't hurt anybody. Please, I don't want to die. Please.
Yeah, you hung yourself. Yeah, right here.
No, I'm not going to do it.
Depraved little bastard that
please,
you are.
Hank, please, please, please. I don't want to die.
Dad, I don't think I'll ever get used to looking at these.
Good. You're not supposed to.
How'd she get like this? You know, somewhere there's a kindergarten class picture with her in it.
Yep. Somewhere there's a kindergarten class picture with her killer in it. Yeah.
Jake, it's Kelly.
What's up?
We need you down at the pleasure parlor. Jimmy Weevil is dead.
All right, I'm on my way.
They found Weevil dead.
Hello.
This is Larry Thomas.
Hi, Larry. I've been waiting for you.
Has the champagne arrived?
It's here.
Why don't you slip into something brief? And I'll be right up.
I'm about as brief as I can be. Without being completely nude.
Good. Goldman.
Hank, this is Kelly.
Hey, what's shaking, partner?
I'm at the pleasure parlor. Jimmy Weevil committed suicide.
What? Damn, I'm on my way. How does it read?
It looks like a suicide. Night security found him.
Okay.
I put a call out to Goldman, too.
He was a toilet dweller who finally even made himself sick, so he strung himself up like a piñata. I mean, who cares? The world smells better.
Pretty rough on him, Hank.
Yeah, well, I make no bones about how I deal with scumbags like Weevil. You think maybe I made him want to off himself? Yeah, maybe I scared him to death.
You blooded him up pretty good.
I pushed him around a little. I mean, it was kid stuff. Maybe one of his regular customers just got a little too playful.
Maybe. We'll find out.
You know what you're gonna find out, Mr. McCabe? You're gonna find out he knew just as sure as there's fire in hell I was on to him, and he preferred his own way out. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this case is closed. If you don't mind, I'm tired. I want to go home, and I want to go to sleep.
Okay?
As far as I'm concerned.
There was a fire earlier tonight. The staff darkroom. Arnie Crane's on his way over. I think it was arson.
Arson inside the police department? How comforting. You know, maybe Goldman was right. Maybe Weevil was our killer. Jimmy the Weasel wasn't exactly the epitome of sanity. And suicide isn't the epitome of reasonable acts either.
Well, Dr. Massinger, the police shrink, he said that our killer might not know what he's doing when he's killing. I mean, he might go about his business totally unaware of what he's done.
Jimmy Weevil didn't know he was a murderer. Why did he hang himself?
Exactly.
Do me a favor. Have Arnie look at those pictures.
What do you want him to look for?
I don't know. I'm gonna go to Weevil's place and look around. That's where I'll be.
I know what's wrong.
What?
Max and I haven't had our dinner yet. What do you say, boy? What do you want, huh? Pizza, deli, or Chinese? Good. Mayo or mustard? Okay, boy, I'll get him right away. Hello, this is J.L. McCabe.
Jake there?
Yes, sir, he is.
Hey. Hey, it's funny. I'm driving home and I get this thought. Jake's not satisfied. He's still got his doubts. And I'm right. Here you are.
Yeah.
You're not still hot on me about this Weevil business.
Oh, no. We're okay, Hank. It's in the past. Don't worry about it.
Good. Because, I admire you. Just wouldn't sit right with me if you didn't think well of me. Yeah. Hey, some people won't spend money on.
Tell me about it.
So, do you get a chance to go over everything again, looking for evidence?
Oh, yeah. I've been up and down this place. Up and down. I haven't found anything yet.
Want any help?
No. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go on home. Why don't you do the same thing? And I'll meet you in the office in the morning.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hank.
Yeah.
Hey, Arnie. Hey. Oh, man, who'd do this?
Well, I'd say it was an ex-girlfriend, but I've only had one, and she was in bed with me when they called. Who was it said if I wasn't laughing, I'd be crying?
Lincoln. It was a Yogi Berra.
Yeah, well, that's how I feel.
I hate to intrude on this with police business, but...
Oh, no, go ahead. Take my mind off reality. I mean, man, will you look at this stuff? See, this was it, Derek. God, this was everything. My history with the department.
Maybe it'd be better if I came back later.
No. It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, these have been bothering Jake. They're your shots of the Megan Rand murder scene.
What's wrong with them?
I don't know, beats me. I looked at all 33 of them and I couldn't find anything wrong, but Jake seems to think that there's something missing.
Well, he's right. If you looked at 33, 3 of them are missing.
What are you talking about?
I take 36 pictures. Always. Not 32, not 51, 36. When I started in this business, the sergeant told me 36 was all I'd ever need, and he was right. Somebody took 3. Some nut, probably. People save pictures of dead people. Newspaper guys do that kind of thing.
I mean, you think maybe this time you...
36.
Arnie, you take a lot of...
36.
Yeah, I know. It's all too easy. First-year rookie would have found this here ring. If Weevil was the murderer, he would have beaten this damn thing to keep it from being found.
Besides Arnie, who else was in Megan Rand's apartment when the pictures were taken?
Golden and myself. Let me guess. All of Arnie's film was burned, including the negatives. Am I close?
Yeah. But Arnie's a world-class warrior, Jake. He worries about earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, and fires.
All right, okay. What's the point? What are you saying?
He always double prints and dupes his negatives. He has an extra set in the darkroom at his house.
So we close the case. We've got a prime suspect, a suicide. You found an incriminating piece of evidence at his place. What's left?
Well, Arnie Crane may have one last thing I want to check out before I close the door on this one.
What are you talking about?
Well, somehow there are 3 pictures missing from the original negatives. Now, Arnie's got backups. He's processing them now and waiting for his call. So I'm...
Excuse me, Jake. Mr. McCabe would like to talk to you.
The phone rings, can it be?
Yeah, sure. Inspector Stiles' desk.
Jake?
No, it's Goldman.
Oh, hey, tell Jake that I've got the negatives and I'll have the prints in about an hour, so come on over.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Anything?
Oh, no. Listen, I'm gonna run downtown. I want to get the guys up to speed on all this.
Okay, when you get back, we'll go over everything, okay?
Sure.
Jake coming over?
No, McCabe needed him in court.
Huh. I don't think these pictures are going to be very telling. And we'll know when we see the black and white version.
Yeah, you got to check everything.
Yeah. Pretty strange about my darkroom burning down, huh?
Maybe the boys downtown wanted to tell you something.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
Nothing done yet?
Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. I mean, frankly, I don't know what the big deal is, you know? Stiff's a stiff. I mean, I don't mean to sound, you know, insensitive, but everything looks alike when it's dead, you know what I mean? I mean, this girl, for instance, you know, she's pretty, sure. Beauty is really only a matter... Hey, you see what I see?
What's that, Arnie?
Yeah, just a sec. Yeah. Here's a shot I took after I changed roles. In the first print, she's wearing 2 earrings. In the second, she's only wearing 1.
Right.
So somebody stole the other earring. Yeah, well, hey, don't look at me. I touched nothing.
No, of course not, Arnie.
Jake wouldn't touch nothing either. Pinelli's a real nut. Of course, what do you expect? I mean, he spends all his time working on corpses, you know. Let's go call Jake again, huh?
Oh, God!
You set me up. Is that what this is?
Yeah. That's what this is, Hank.
When did you know?
When he came up with the 3 negatives, it all fell into place. But I had to be sure. And you proved it for me.
I don't know what happened. I swear to you, I just suddenly lost it all. You know, it's like, you know, a mirror once it cracked. Please do me a favor. Just shoot me.
We're going in, Hank. I'm not going to stop you, Hank. No good cop I know would stop you right now.
So, what's next?
I've got Massinger doing a psychiatric workup.
What triggers that kind of hate? You ever think about that? Where does it start?
It's probably buried in his head, Jake. In the deepest, darkest part of his brain.
What do you think's gonna happen to him?
I may go for commitment. Whatever happens, sane or insane, Hank's never gonna see the outside world again. Jake.
Yeah.
In your heart, do you wish he had pulled the trigger?
Quarter of 5 in the morning. What idiot said, let's keep the night going. Let's have a beach party.
That was you.
Great idea, huh? We'll see you guys.
Bye.
Do you realize that if you went out to a store and bought a bear, it would have been about half the price?
Yeah, but then I couldn't be your hero.
How's the old pitching arm?
Oh, it'll be fine in a month or two. You know, I swear those games are rigged. It shouldn't be that hard to knock down 3 milk bottles.
Thanks for winning them for me. My hero.
I'll take you home. If I hurry, I can get in a good 7 or 8 minutes of sleep before work. Let's have a beach party. What an idiot.
If I sang your favorite love song, maybe stick around a little while. Everybody's got something.
Oh, God. Oh, God. He's breathing, but he's in shock. Don't move him. Don't move him. We don't know what's broken. Stay with him. I'm gonna go for help.
It's gonna be all right. It's okay.
So what have we got here, George? We ID'd the victim as an Ernest Casey. He owns Consolidated Trucking a couple blocks over. He was hitting the crosswalk. Uh-huh. Doesn't look good, Jake.
All right, finish up that paperwork, okay? I'll get back to you in a minute.
Good news, the code 3418 East Chico, code 3418 Chico. Mary 125.
All right. How is he?
He's critical.
It's gonna be all right.
I don't know. Let me get this straight. You went to a carnival. You went to a beach party with your friends. You guys drinking?
No. Hot dogs and marshmallows on the beach. Donuts and coffee, that's all.
Driving fast?
No. I was making a right turn. I was barely moving.
It was my fault. I spilled hot coffee. I screamed.
So, Melissa, I was driving. I did it. I hit the guy.
Come on. You weren't drinking. You weren't speeding. Accidents happen there, okay?
That's what happened to me, Jake.
Mr. Mitchell, we're going to have to search your vehicle.
George, you're not going to find anything.
Jake, I got to do this.
I understand.
Why is the Attorney General's office getting involved in this? We're dealing with a misdemeanor traffic violation, an accident pure and simple.
The victim dies. It becomes a felony. Negligent homicide, to be exact. Not so pure, not so simple.
Don't start quoting the law to me, Counselor.
Because Derek Mitchell is a member of your staff, my office takes over automatically.
I will not allow Derek Mitchell to become a whipping boy for any rookie up-and-comer from the Attorney General's office.
Excuse me, sir, but I don't like this situation any better than you. And I sure as hell don't like your bullying. Look, I understand where you're coming from. But I have to throw all that out the window and play by the rules. He's a case I was assigned, that's all.
What happens if Ernest Casey dies?
I do my job. Prosecute Derek Mitchell to the limit of the law.
Then you damn well better make it your best shot. Because we'll be ready.
So will I. In fact, that's the one thing you can count on, Counselor. Have a nice day. Hi.
Mr. McCabe, what is Ned Redding doing here?
What are you doing here? I told you to take some time off. Go home.
He was here about me, wasn't he?
Derek, it's all going to work out, I promise you. If there's anything I can do for you, anything that you want,
I want last night back.
Go home, son. There's nothing else you can do right now.
I can't run from this. If I could just talk to him, tell him.
Are you sure? Yes, can I help you?
Could you tell us the condition of a patient, please?
Patient's name.
His name is Casey, Mr. Ernest Casey.
Seems that Mr. Casey is in surgery right now.
Surgery? Could you tell us how he is?
Are you family members?
No, I'm from the PA's office.
Well, his condition is critical but stable. Dr. Larson, who is our chief of neurosurgery, is operating.
Neurosurgery?
Yes, it seems that Mr. Casey has a fluid buildup, and Dr. Larson is performing surgery to relieve pressure on his brain.
Then he's going to be all right.
If you'd like, you can wait down the hall in the reception area. The doctor will speak to you when he's finished.
Thank you.
Dr. Larson will be right with you, Mrs. Casey.
How is he?
Doctor will speak with you.
Mrs. Casey,
Yes?
my name is Derek Mitchell.
My God, you're the man who hit him.
Mrs. Casey, I'm so sorry. He came out of nowhere. I didn't see him.
Could you not see him? You hit my husband in a crosswalk.
We feel awful, Mrs. Casey, but it was an accident.
Jogs early in the morning. Said it was safer then because there's no traffic.
I'm so sorry.
Please. Just leave us alone.
Mrs. Casey, I'm Dr. Larson. Your husband suffered severe damage to his brain. It was more than we thought. He expired. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, no, please, Ernie, no.
But he was supposed to be okay.
No, please tell me this isn't true. No, oh my God, Ernie, no, I can't
Cause of death, a blunt force trauma to the head. Massive swelling of the brain, internal bleeding. I guess he's better off. The damage was extensive.
What other injuries did you find?
Trauma to the legs, a major break in the tibia. Here, you can see for yourself.
The left tibia?
The left side took most of the damage. That must have been the point of impact.
Yoshi, you're going to have to help me with this. We established the direction Casey was running from the position of his body at the scene. But how could Derek's car have hit him and broken his left tibia?
That's a very good question.
Casey would have to have been running backwards. For Derek to have hit him on the left side, this just doesn't figure.
Here's another thing that bothers me, McCabe. It says here, Derek Mitchell's car was just turning the corner.
Yes?
Well, whoever hit this guy was going much faster. Probably 50, 60 miles an hour.
What? Wait a minute. You're saying that another car was involved?
I'm saying it's possible that...
Another car that hit Casey and threw him onto Derek's car? Get your autopsy report typed up and distribute it as soon as you can, Yoshi. We're going to need it.
You got it.
It happened so fast, you know. 1 minute we were having a great time, and then the next...
I know. But it's important. Let's go over it one more time, huh?
We pulled out of that parking space back there, and we drove up to this intersection.
And we were singing and laughing, and Derek won this huge stuffed bear.
Did you see anything or anyone else on the streets?
No, they were deserted.
Then Derek stopped at the red light. Derek started to make a right turn. I was trying to get the lid off my coffee. It spilled everywhere. I screamed. Then there was this feeling like something hit us hard.
Like something hit you?
I don't know. I've never heard anything like it. It was sickening.
Okay. Now let's stay right there. Think hard. What did you see?
Derek's face, all the color gone.
Derek?
I was sitting right beside Melissa in the driver's seat. I heard her scream, and I looked over toward her.
And Melissa, you were looking at Derek and the driver's window?
Yes, I guess. I don't know, the bear was in the way.
All right, now really close your eyes this time and think very hard. Did you see the man you hit? Did you see him coming at all?
No. I can't remember. It's all just a blur.
What is the point of this, Mr. McCabe? I hit the guy and now he's dead. What more do we need to know?
Melissa, I've got an idea. That's a long shot, but if you're willing to try, it might help Derek. Okay?
Melissa, you are now completely relaxed. Your mind is freed from anxiety and stress. Your body is weightless. Can you feel it floating?
Yes.
All right. I want you to think of your mind as a movie screen. You'll be able to play the movie and see every detail in front of you. I want you to see the intersection where the accident took place. Can you see it?
Yes. It's dark. There's no one around.
Are you in the car with Derek?
Yes, we're laughing.
Okay. Now you're stopped at the intersection.
Trying to take the lid off my coffee. All of a sudden, it spills everywhere.
And then?
The feeling. That awful feeling.
All right, Melissa. I want you to rewind the movie you're looking at. Play it slowly, frame by frame. Do you see anything outside the car before you hear the sound?
I'm trying to get the lid off my coffee. It spills everywhere and... it's gold. It goes by so fast, but it's gold.
All right, Melissa, what is it? What is that gold object?
It's... a car.
Check out like that, man. You need a keeper. You all right?
Yeah, I take a run. It helps me think.
Well, think about this. Another car hit Casey first.
Melissa told me. Hypnotherapy? Come on, Jake. It's not admissible in court.
Yeah,
You know it.
I know that, but it's a start. Derek, there was something wrong with the autopsy report. You might have hit Casey on the rebound. You understand?
Wishful thinking.
Look, it's better than what you had. It's something. Don't be a chump and play poor me unless you're flat out on your options, which you are not.
Any luck tracking down the gold car?
I've got HPD scouring the area for witnesses. Checked all the arrest reports for that night. And I've got flyers sent out to all the body shops on the island. So far, it's just a fairy tale.
How's the kid?
Swimming in guilt.
I think he's gonna drown, Jake. If we can't throw him a rope.
Show your face here.
I came to pay my respects, ma'am.
I don't want your respects.
Please, Mrs. Casey. I just want to do the right thing.
The right thing? You should have watched where you were going instead of driving into my husband. That would have been the right thing.
Mrs. Casey, I am sorry. I am so sorry. I can hardly live with myself.
I hope you're miserable every minute of the rest of your life. I hope you think about this every night before you sleep and every morning when you wake up, because that's what I'm going to be doing. How dare you come here? You're a murderer! 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 You're a murderer!
The state of Hawaii versus Derek Mitchell.
Your Honor, before we begin Mr. Mitchell's arraignment, I must bring up a very serious matter.
And what is that, Mr. Redding?
It behooves you to order Mr. Jason McCabe to cease and desist any and all further investigation of this case.
Your Honor, this is hardly the time to bring up an inter-office squabble.
Excuse me, Counselor, but it's gone a lot further than that. Mr. McCabe knows full well the Attorney General's office is prosecuting this case. And in spite of that fact, he's launched a full-scale investigation.
That is not above and beyond the powers of my office.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but it's a direct conflict of interest. And it's in flagrant disregard for the law and the Attorney General's
You have
office.
made your point, Mr. Redding. And it's well taken. Mr. McCabe, you will not involve yourself or your office in this case. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, I'd like to get on with the proceedings. Mr. Mitchell. You're charged with negligent homicide. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Johnny Witt?
That's me.
You Johnny Witt?
Yeah.
My name is Jake Stiles. I'm with the PA's office. You called the HPD, said something about a gold car that came in?
Yeah, I got this flyer to be on the lookout for a gold car at front end damage.
Yeah, that's it. Is this it? This the car?
Yeah, that's the one. Over here. Came in yesterday. Guy said he hit a telephone pole.
Telephone pole, huh?
Says he was a little juiced.
Huh, that's interesting. You hit the pole with both sides of the car.
Beats me.
You done anything to the car?
No, sir. I called HPD as soon as it came in.
Uh-huh. You sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's good. Okay. Listen, I'm gonna send the crime lab boys over here to go over this car, okay? Now, I don't want anybody near the car. Make sure nobody goes near the car, all right?
Yes, sir.
Now, the man who brought the car in here, I need the name and address.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, it's in the office.
Good.
This way.
You don't have to do that, you know.
I think it's for the best, Mr. McCabe.
I'm going to arrange for your defense. I guarantee you'll get the best damned legal mind there is. Well, second best, maybe.
Good news, good news, good news.
Yeah, what is it?
I got a fiber from Casey's clothing, right? I found it on the car that hit him.
Positive?
Positive. Lab boys are out there right now, man. I even got to make on the owner.
Jake, fiber, what are you talking about?
The car, the gold car that hit him, right? This proves that it was there. You understand?
I can't believe this. What about the court order to cease and desist?
Stuff it. Go get the SOP.
You got it.
Jake, okay if I go with you? I'd like to see this guy face to face when you bust him.
Let's go, man.
Go!
And then that's the farmer's daughter said. Well, you know what she said?
No.
I bet you would say.
Travis Forrester?
Yeah, that's me. Hey, guys. You're right. Why don't you sit down and have a drink, okay? Come on, I'm buying. I'll buy both of you a drink.
I don't think so. Mr. Forrester, my name is Jake Stiles. I'm with the PA's office. You're under arrest for manslaughter. Would you please stand up, put your hands behind your back?
Hey, whoa, pal.
What's going on,
Stand up, put your hands behind your back, please.
I don't know. Hey, guys, why don't you let me finish my drink here and settle up, huh?
You've had plenty, pal.
I've had plenty. He says I've had plenty. Have you guys had plenty?
Talk to the girls later. Let's go.
Bye, kids.
Everything is checked out. Now, the fibers were matched to Ernest Casey's clothing, proving that Forrester's car was the only car that could have hit him and inflicted the fatal damage. So, I mean, we got that nailed down. That's a given, right?
I keep replaying it in my mind. If I could have done something, been more careful.
You didn't have a chance, Derek. Forrester's car hit Casey and threw him right into yours.
Keep your chin up, all right? Listen, I'll catch you guys after your arraignment. I got to get down to the crime lab, all right?
Oh, no.
Who's that?
That's just about the best defense lawyer a lot of money can buy. Spence Cogan from Dallas, Texas.
Well, 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 Jason McCabe. Long time no see, partner. How you been?
Don't tell me you came all the way over here to defend Travis Forrester.
Well, I go where the money is. You know that, Jason. Say, why don't you cross on over to my side? Defense. That's where the money is.
Well, I guess I'm old-fashioned or something, but I still prefer defending the victim.
Well, you always was a good old soul, Jason. I bet you still say your prayers, don't you?
Sometimes.
Well, let's get at it, and may the best liar win. Come on.
Mr. Forrester, the state charges you with 1 count each. Manslaughter, driving under the influence, leaving the scene of an accident, failure to render aid. How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, trial is set for the week of the 18th.
Your Honor, Judge Smithwood, I wonder if I could have a little chat with you about reducing Mr. Forrester's bail here. It seems awful high to me.
Your Honor, this is homicide, hit and run.
I think request is denied, Mr. Cogan. Bail is well within reason considering the gravity of the charges against your client.
He's pleading not guilty?
Just what the hell did you expect with Spence Cogan representing him?
I'll put my money on you, Mr. McCabe. This is what I'm going to enjoy.
I'd enjoy the hell of a lot more if Spence Cogan wasn't between us and the verdict.
By the way, I forgot to mention, my name is Spence Cogan.
Well, yeah. No, I have it right here. It's just I need the information. Hang on one second. Excuse me, can I help you?
Oh, yes. I'm Valerie Casey. I'm looking for Derek Mitchell.
Hang on one second. Yeah, Tommy, let me get back to you. Yeah. I'm a friend of Derek's. My name is Jake Stiles. He's in court. The man who ran down your husband's being arraigned today. I'm a little surprised that you're not there.
Well, I'll be there for the trial. Mr. McCabe wants me for a witness.
Oh, I see.
But after what I did and said to Mr. Mitchell, I don't think I can live with myself till I apologize.
I'm sure he understands. Well, would you like some coffee?
Oh, sure.
It's right over here. Oh, this, yeah, it's a fresh pot. You gotta be careful around here with the coffee. There you go.
Thanks.
So, how you doing?
To tell you the truth, I'm afraid it's going to make me sick to sit in that courtroom and look at the man who ran my husband down. It seemed like an overreaction, but I've been so confused and upset ever since he...
No, it's not an overreaction. You've been through a pretty traumatic situation, so it's understandable.
Thank you for the coffee, Mr. Stiles. Please, tell Mr. Mitchell I'll catch up with him soon.
I will, I promise.
Hi. I'll have a bourbon and branch, if you don't mind, and just a little plain seltzer water for my friend here. Thank you.
Hey, I'm out on bail. I could use a drink.
You're going to drink nothing till this is over. In fact, you're going to get yourself into a rehab program pronto. Now, do you understand me?
I don't have a drinking problem. I mean, I got a little wasted that night. No problem.
No. You gotta make them understand that you're repentant, that this is never going to happen again. Oh, and you're going to get me a list of every civic organization you ever belonged to. Anytime you help the Boy Scouts or church groups or stuff. You listen to me, sonny boy, and you listen good. You are going to do every damn thing I tell you to. And you're going to do it with a smile on your face. Because that is how I'm going to get you off. Now, do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes.
All right. Well, there's one more thing. You're holding out on me, boy. Now, there's something that you haven't told me how I can smell it a mile away, so come on, let's have it now. Hmm?
What are you talking about?
Well, that's just a waste of time now. Hey, we just don't understand each other, that's all.
Please. Sit down, please. Sit down. I'll tell you, please. Look, that night, oh, God. I don't want my wife to find out about this.
I was with a woman.
A woman? Was she in the car with you?
I don't know. I was so drunk, I don't remember. Look, all I remember is I was standing with her in the parking lot. You know, she was coming on to me. I think she drove me someplace. The next thing I knew, I ran into that telephone pole.
I see. Well, we are going to have to find ourselves a couple of witnesses who saw you in that parking lot with her. And we are going to have to plant a tiny little seed in the minds of that jury that maybe you were never driving that car that night at all.
But what if she says different?
Oh, come on now, son. Come on. We ain't never going to find her. We are just going to kind of confuse the jury a little bit, that's all. And then we are going to kick McCabe's butt right out of that courtroom. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can trust me, son. You are never going to spend 1 minute behind bars for this. Not one damn minute.
Yeah, he's a terrific guy. What can I tell you? Travis Forrester's the kind that everybody likes, you know? He'll buy a round for the house without batting an eye.
Thanks. What about the night of the accident? You remember him being here?
Sure. He was with a lady, and he was pretty far gone. I remember being glad when she said she'd get him home.
He was with a woman. They leave together?
Yeah.
What'd she look like? You remember?
Reddish hair, long, bangs, glasses, kind of smallish.
You know who she is, or where I could find her, maybe?
Nope, just a bar groupie, if you ask me. I've seen her with him a couple of times, you know.
Hey, bartender, can I get a refill?
All right with you, sir? Excuse me.
Yeah, sure.
Say kiss, kiss.
Excuse me?
Yeah, try it. You can't help but smile. And then I'll get a nice, happy picture.
Kiss, kiss?
See? Now do it again and I'll take your picture.
Excuse me. What's your name?
Sherry.
Sherry. Sherry, you take pictures of all the customers here, pretty much? Yeah?
From 4 to closing. Now you say it.
Okay. Kiss, kiss. Go.
That was great. Let's just fill this out and I'll mail you print.
Okay. Listen, Sherry, the pictures that you take, where do you keep the negatives?
In the back room.
Back room. Why don't we take a walk to the back room? Come on, you can trust me. You're safe. Really, come on.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
The people will present unassailable physical evidence to prove the defendant's guilt. Now, there was a time when drunk drivers were looked at as mischievous children. I'm sure you all remember that. Well, that time has passed. We don't do that anymore. Travis Forrester must face up to the consequences of his actions. He chose to drink and drive, and that choice has cost a man his life. I will ask you all to find him guilty on all counts. Thank you.
Opening remarks, Mr. Cogan?
Yes, Your Honor. Indeed, I do. Good morning to you, folks. My name is Cogan, Spencer Cogan. And I am here to say to you that a man's life is a very precious thing. That Ernest Casey died is a tragedy. And I'm not saying that someone shouldn't pay for this tragedy. But I do say to you that if you have even the shadow of a doubt in your mind about who was driving that car that night...
Objection, Your Honor. Shadow of a doubt is a homespun homily from Mr. Cogan. It is also a misrepresentation of the legal standard.
Your Honor, if I may be allowed to rephrase that, with deference to my worthy colleague, Mr. McCabe, the law does require that if you have even a reasonable doubt about who was driving that car, you have got to find this young man innocent.
I wonder if all these people are saying kiss, kiss.
Yeah, you can bet on it.
Jake, I think I got something.
Huh?
What? I think this is Forrester. He's with a redhead. She's wearing glasses. Look.
Yep, that's him. Let's get this down in the crime lab. Have the blow up. Come on.
And you are a security guard at Murphy's Bar? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. And you saw the two people, Forrester and the woman, in the parking lot. What were they saying?
They were arguing. Mr. Forrester was insisting that he was okay, he could drive. I figured that if he got behind the wheel, he could get himself into serious trouble. So I went back into the bar, asked the bartender to call a cab or something. When I came back out, they were gone. But I remember being really worried if that guy was driving.
Thank you. Your witness.
We are out of time, gentlemen. Court will recess until 9 a.m. tomorrow, at which time, Mr. Cogan, you may cross-examine.
So this is our mystery woman, huh? If we could find her, she might be able to testify that Forrester was behind the wheel.
Or not?
Well, either way, we nail the person who ran down Casey. Wait a minute. I'm missing something here.
What are you talking about?
Look at this. Right there.
So then, you think it might have been the woman that actually took the wheel of the car that night, and not Travis Forrester?
Could have been. I never saw him leave. It could have been either one.
Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor?
Any redirect, Mr. McCabe?
No, Your Honor. The people will present their next witness, Mrs. Ernest Casey.
It's going to be bad. The jury always gets real sympathetic when they're listening to widows and children.
Can you do any damage control?
I got a few tricks up my sleeve.
Mrs. Casey, you are here to establish your husband's habit of jogging. Could you describe his pattern for us?
Yes. He got up every morning at 4, put on his sweats, and went running.
Why at such an early hour?
He went to work early, at 6, and he worked long hours. If he wanted to get exercise, he figured that's the only time he could get it in.
Any other reasons?
He thought it was safer then because there wasn't much traffic.
I'm sorry, we won't be much longer. I just want to ask you about what he wore.
Yes, he always wore light-colored sweats and reflective stripes on his chest, his back, and his shoes.
So he was taking every precaution possible in the interest of safety. And there's no way anyone could say he tempted fate by wearing dark clothing or failing to take measures to protect himself.
No way.
Thank you, Mrs. Casey. Oh, just one more thing, if I may. Would you please put these on?
Can you explain, Mr. McCabe?
An indulgence, please, Your Honor. I assure you it is material.
Your Honor, what's going on here?
Mr. McCabe, I do need an answer to that.
Establishing foundation, Your Honor. It won't take a moment.
All right, proceed.
Thank you. Mrs. Casey.
I don't understand, Mr. McCabe.
Oh, I think you do.
Please, just do as he asks.
There. Very nice. Very attractive, don't you think?
That's her! That's the woman!
We'll have order in this court. Now, Mr. McCabe, what is this about?
It's about this, Your Honor. About the fact that Mrs. Casey disguised herself and arranged to meet Travis Forrester in Murphy's bar.
This is ridiculous!
No, it's not. The ring visible in this photograph is on your finger at this very moment, Mrs. Casey. As we can show in several other photos, the night of the accident was not the first night that they were together. She had been courting him.
Aren't you going to object?
Hell no. Old McCabe is doing our job for us.
Now, as to why Mrs. Casey went to all this trouble, she was looking for the perfect crime.
This is crazy! None of this is true!
A way to kill her husband, make it look like a drunk driving accident, and leave her a widow with a multi-million-dollar company to sell.
I don't believe this!
I suspect you ran your husband down, drove off, then got out, let the drunken Mr. Forrester here try to drive home, expecting that he would get himself into trouble.
Mr. McCabe, you're ranging far afield here.
I sure am, Your Honor. This is a case that has ranged far afield. It almost ruined the career of a fine young prosecutor. But now, I'm going to move that the charges against the defendant be dropped in the interest of justice, and the state will bring a new indictment charging that Mrs. Casey did willfully and with malice run down her own husband and kill him.
So moved. Charges against the defendant, Travis Forrester, are hereby dropped.
So, feel like grabbing some dinner?
Well, if you feel like grabbing a check, yeah.
I always grab the check.
Oh, sure. And then write it off on your expense account.
Hey, how are you?
Where you going, Mitchell? The day's over.
I've got some catching up to do. It's funny, all the plans, all the goals, all the dreams, you can lose them if you blink your eye. Thanks for the second look.
All right, let's see.
Under the sky, secrets glow. 1,000 whispers start to flow. The moonlight dances soft and slow. The night's a story we don't yet know. Whispered stars, they call my name. Burning bright, they fan the flame. Through the dark, we're all the same. Chasing dreams we cannot tame.
short ones? Short ones? Okay. Okay. So, how do I look? You always say the same thing, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh. That's Mrs. Johnson. Should we go see Mrs. Johnson? Okay, we have plenty of fresh diapers. Snack at 2, nappy time at 3. You be a good girl.
Oh, Caitlin's always an angel.
Okay. Bye, my little precious. See you tonight.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So, how'd you do?
My feet are killing me. I had 6 tables all day, and 2 of them stiffed me.
Well, I'll just dump this and we'll get out of here, okay?
Thanks, Cindy. Sure nice to see a smiling face around here.
Hey, don't worry. Things are gonna pick up around here, okay?
You know, Darlene, you could use a little of Cindy's attitude.
Yeah? Well, maybe she could use a little of my attitude. I made more money working at the diner.
Hi, Cindy. How are you, sweetheart?
Oh, Jake.
What's the matter?
I saw a man get shot. Oh my God, it was so horrible. And the man that shot him is after me.
All right, slow down. Where are you?
I'm outside Barnett's on Lake Street.
Okay, listen to me. I want you to go inside the store, find a security guard if you can. You wait there till I get there, okay?
Wait, Jake. I'm really worried about Caitlin. She's at my place with the babysitter.
All right, listen. Don't worry about that. I'll take care of it. You just wait for me.
the man that was running after her?
Yeah, but not too good. He was a white guy, average, kind of. I really don't know. Everyone was screaming. They were all scared.
Right. Did you go after her?
No.
Why not?
Because it was none of my business.
You got a woman running and screaming for help, and it's none of your business?
I'm a salesman. I'm not a cop.
Which way she go?
She went through those doors.
All right, thanks for your time.
Jake!
Yeah. Anything?
We covered every store in the mall.
All right, go back there and check the alley, all right?
You got it.
You get anything, I want to know about it.
Okay, Jake.
What the hell?
Jake asked me to bring her here after Sitter left.
Damn it. This is an office, not a nursery. Hello, young lady. Cute, isn't she?
She is beautiful. Well, listen, I have to take the McKinley deposition.
Hey, wait a minute.
It'll only take an hour.
But it's Friday afternoon. There's nobody else here. I mean, what if she... What if I have to change a diaper or something? Huh?
You've had kids. You've changed diapers. It's like riding a bike. It'll come back to you.
Hi. Hello. How are you? Ooh. Ooh. You're cute. Yes, you are.
Nobody here saw the shooter, huh? No. All we heard was Cindy screaming. When I got there, there was nobody but George, the dead man.
Does she know it?
Poor thing. Darlene was engaged to George. She's taking it pretty hard.
Did you know Cindy well?
I didn't know much about her.
Do you have any idea where she might have run to?
All I know is that she was the best damn waitress I ever had. Hard-working, sweet as she could be. I just hope she's okay.
Me too.
Yeah.
Did anything happen at work out of the ordinary, like angry customer maybe, or a jealous ex-boyfriend?
I didn't hear anything about that, but look, I'm not here 24 hours a day, so I mean, it's possible.
Anything else?
Hello, Jake. Clean one here. No muss, no fuss. 22 up close. Very professional. No one even heard a shot.
Silencer. You think it was a probate?
Maybe.
Yeah, it was a janitor.
Yeah. Can you figure that?
What's this?
Interesting, huh?
It's like maybe a gang, huh?
Local?
I don't know. All right, thanks. Art, did this guy Martin have a record?
Not that I know of. I mean, he cleaned a bunch of places around here, including mine. I mean, hell, I saw his work history. He was a real reliable guy, good references.
Look at the keys. Look at the keys. Look.
Hey, Derek. Anything on Cindy?
No, sorry, Jake.
Listen, I want you to run a check on George Martin, okay?
All right.
Also, I want you to run his prints. Now, the other thing is this tattoo, okay? It looks homemade to me, and maybe prison, you know?
You got it.
What are we gonna do about...
What about her family?
She doesn't have one. Her father took off when he found out Cindy was pregnant.
Nice guy. What is the connection to Cindy?
Well, that was before your time. He was just a throwaway kid picked up in a prostitution sweep. We decided to give her a chance. She took it and made the best of it.
You want me to call Children's Services?
No, don't do that. I'll take her home. I mean, she's almost family, and I feel like the kid's uncle, so, yeah, I'll take her home with me, you know.
Jake?
Ooh, did we spit up? What's wrong with it?
Oh, dear.
Did we spit up? Yeah, here, let me get that. We sure did, didn't we? Oh, lower jails.
Yeah,
Sure did.
Sure did, didn't we?
How much formula did you give her? Huh?
Just 2 bottles.
2? Why 2?
Well, she was hungry.
Why didn't you just give her a side of beef and a beer? That's too much for a baby. Yeah, that's too much. Did you have duty diapers? Do we have duty diapers?
Yes, she needs them.
Put your books and toys away. Ready for another day. Put your books and toys away. Ready for another day. Am I even singing that? No. We're gonna find your mommy, sweetheart. I promise. Yeah. I promise. I promise, baby. I promise.
Cindy, is that you?
I'm afraid not. Hey.
Hi. I saw the door open, and I thought maybe she'd come back. Any word at all?
No, not yet. Not yet.
And Caitlin's okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's really doing great.
Look, is there anything that I can do to help?
No. No, I think I got everything under control. I think I got it. Did you think of anything about George Martin? Anything at all?
No. No, I'm sorry. Look, if you hear of anything, you'll call me right away.
Oh,
okay?
absolutely. Yeah, you bet. You bet. Come on, I'll walk you out. I gotta lock up.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, you guys! I told you to clear out of here!
Hey.
Hi, Derek.
Hey, what's up?
You were right about the tattoo.
Yeah?
Prison gang. San Quentin to be exact. You know what's funny?
Why?
San Quentin says he was never there. And get this. I can't find a record of his fingerprints taken before 5 years ago. I mean, nothing. No driver's license, no military service, no passport, nothing.
I got an ex-con who didn't exist before 5 years ago. Maybe what we got is a government witness.
Under the Witness Protection Program. Well, I'm going to put a call into Bill Wallace over at Justice.
Oh, no, Tony. Come on. No, man.
What's wrong?
Check the nipple. That's fine.
Hello, Bill? Yeah, can you hang on for a second? Hey guys, I can't hear. Did you,
Okay, come on, Miss Carson.
It's a good girl.
Come on. Here we go.
Yeah, Bill. Yeah, well, I got a favor to ask you. Do you owe me or do I owe you?
Okay, all right, sure. All right. You know what? Maybe we're not feeding her the right stuff, you know? Huh? You think maybe she's sick or something? Huh? You sick, maybe? Huh? Let's not feed her. Huh? Think she... What do you think?
Here, let me have her. I don't think she has a...
I think maybe she's sick, huh?
Let me have her.
Yeah. How did you do that?
I've got it, Jake.
What?
Seems that George Martin, our janitor, is really John Brady, a.k.a. Numbers Brady, Manny Pacheco's former bookkeeper.
He's the guy that turned state's evidence when they sent Manny away, right? Figure Manny finally caught up with him.
Yeah, so it would seem.
You got me at a good time, Styles. This'll just take a while.
I don't have a while. You want him here?
Howie, go wash the car. Did you pass me the basil?
Could you tell me what you know about Numbers, Brady?
I'll let you know a little secret. The better the wine, the better the sauce.
Brady was taken out yesterday. I need to know a few things.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The man who took out Brady was also after a friend of mine. You better hope he doesn't get it.
I'm retired. Ask the feds. Ask anybody.
No, I'm asking you.
Look, everybody knows Brady ratted me out to save his own behind. I understand that. It was business. Nothing personal. Like I told you. I'm retired. I'm clean.
What is the name of that development you have up before the Planning Commission now? Marina Shores, is that it?
Hey, that's legit.
I'm not saying it's not. What do you think the Planning Commission would say if they found out that the man who sent you to prison was taken out by a pro? What do you think they would say?
I've got $12 million into that development.
They got you as a #1 suspect.
I had nothing to do with it.
All right. I'll see you at the hearing.
Wait. I heard Ruben Aragon's back in town. Someone saw him last night.
Who hired him?
I don't know. He's looking for some broad.
You lying to me?
I swear on my mother's grave.
Thanks. It's not bad.
Yeah, that's right. Ruben Aragon. Best money can buy.
You think Pacheco's telling the truth about his involvement?
Yeah, I'm afraid he is.
Well, if Aragon's involved, somebody paid big to take Brady out. He must have gotten into something heavy.
Well, word on the street is that Aragon's connected to a cocaine cartel.
Let's check out Brady's recent activities, all right?
All right, I'm on it.
Hi.
Come on in. Join the party.
What's that?
No, thanks. I'm fine. Thanks for letting me come by. I know this is a tough time for you.
It's the story of my life. Any word on Cindy?
No, not yet. I'd like to talk to you about your fiance, if you feel up to it.
Sure.
Got a few notes here that I wanted to ask you. Did you have the idea that George Martin was really John Brady?
No. And those federal agents told me I was floored.
Did George ever speak of a man named Manny Pachinko?
No. And all I knew was George the janitor. Sweet, quiet guy who was going to take care of me.
Did George ever mention anything to you about someone being after him? For maybe a gambling debt or a drug-related situation, possibly?
No way. No, George wasn't into anything like that. I didn't even drink. Guy didn't have a drop-up party in him. God, I loved him. We were gonna go to Vegas next week and get married. See what he bought me?
It's a beautiful ring.
$3,000. I told him he was crazy, but he said he'd been playing the market. There's more coming in. I was gonna quit my job. He wanted us to have kids. Do you believe that, me and Mom?
I'm very sorry.
Oh, God. Look at me feeling sorry for myself. When Cindy's the one who's really in trouble. How's that little angel of hers? Is she okay?
Yeah. She's doing just fine.
Would you like to have a bear? It's a pretty bear. Derek, hurry, will you? Oh, dear. Wait a minute. Give me a drop right there. Too hot.
No, it isn't. It's just like before.
Damn it, I'm telling you, it's too hot.
And you're talking too loud. You're scaring.
What do you mean I'm too loud?
Here we go. There we go.
Too hot.
See? Katie Wadey thinks her body waddy is just right, doesn't she? Yeah.
Don't talk baby talk to the kid. It's bad for her development. Anybody knows that. Anybody.
Oh, look. What do you think of Max, huh? Honestly. Do you like Max? Huh? I think he likes you. Yeah. Don't you, Max? What's wrong with Max? What's wrong with Max, huh? Uh-oh. Duty diapers. It's your turn.
I did that the last time.
She was only wet the last time.
That is not my problem, sir.
All right. We'll change her together. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. Okay. Whoa.
Hey.
Ah, Jake.
Just in time. It's your turn.
What a couple of wimps. You guys afraid of a dirty diaper?
Come on. Okay.
Whoa. Yeah, I told him he shouldn't have fed her any ice cream. I think I'll take a walk.
Ice cream? Why do you give her that stuff? I told you it's too rich for her.
Thank you, Dr. Spock. What did you get from the girlfriend?
Well, she said that Brady recently ran into a large chunk of change. Come on, baby. He told her that there was more on the way. He also told her that he'd been playing the stock market lately. There we go, Pumpkin. Come on.
Well, making a killing in the market usually doesn't get you killed, you know. I'll lay odds that our ex-mob bookkeeper got his nose into something crooked.
There we go.
I'll have Derek check out all the places he worked.
It's a good idea. I tell you what, it's one good thing. If Aragon's still out there looking for Cindy, that means he hasn't found her yet.
How's the fishing? Fishing's great. Catching's not so good.
No wonder you got the wrong kind of lures. That looks like freshwater gear.
Present from the wife. It's my first time. I'm just doing it to make her happy. You know how it is.
No, I'm not married.
Well, lucky for you. I hate fishing anyway. Guess I'll be going.
Jake, where the hell is she? I mean, how the hell are we going to find Aragon? The guy's a phantom. Nobody even knows what he looks like.
I tell you, if I couldn't find Cindy, I know exactly where I'd be. Feed her for me, will you?
Feed her?
Yeah, just feed her.
Who's he? Some guy fishing.
Sure took off in a hurry, didn't he?
Yeah. He was using freshwater lures. Could have been here all day, wouldn't have caught anything. You get her cleaned up?
Yeah, I did. She just said.
Good man.
What do we have? Strike blow to the head, pulse ready, breathing shallow, blood pressure down. She might be bleeding internally.
Type in crossmatch 5 units. Get a table ready stat and alert the neurosurgeon on call.
Tell him it looks like a fracture.
Severe hematoma. Let's go. Second door.
Oh, we've got a Jane Doe. No purse, no ID. Found her in a dumpster.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, thanks. Thanks. Nope. Let's go see Uncle Jason.
I got the word on the places Brady worked. He had 4 regular clients, a beauty parlor, a coffee shop, and 2 clubs, including the Brio. There's nothing unusual about any of them. No drug or criminal contacts, anything like that. According to the credit report, they're all pretty marginal operations, all except the Brio.
How are they different?
Well, there's nothing dirty. It's just they have a solid credit rating, everything paid in full, right on the dot, and a healthy balance in their operating account.
That's strange. I was in there for lunch a couple of times, and their business was terrible. Cindy was afraid the place was going to go under.
I'm still trying to access the IRS computer. I'll let you know the bottom line.
Damn it, this thing doesn't make any sense to me. If Aragon was staking out Caitlin, that means that Cindy got away. But why the hell hasn't she contacted us?
Maybe she's just scared.
No, the way she feels about that little girl, nothing would scare her that badly. If she could, she'd be in touch.
Yeah, respiration and pulse are normal. All of her vitals are strong.
Hey, would you look at this? Maybe they'll know who she is. Yes, could you please give me the number of Brio?
Darlene, answer the phone, would you?
All right.
Brio. Yeah. What, wait a minute. Yeah, she works here. Her name is Cindy O'Malley. Is she okay? She'll be all right, though. Oh. Hold on, let me get my boss. Art, they found Cindy. Pick up the phone.
I see. So she's out of surgery. Oh, that's great. That's great. Well, thank you. Somebody be right over. Yeah. Thank you. We got her. Mercy Hospital.
So, we press this key here. Poof! Look. The paper comes out here. The paper comes out here. Don't watch. Look, this is great. And it tells us what we need to know. Jake, check this out.
Yeah, let me get back to you.
Jail?
Yeah, what have you got?
I think this might be it.
According to the IRS, the Brio grossed over $5.5 million last year.
What? No way that place did 1/10 of that business.
No, it's not a chance in hell. Look,
If they're keeping dirty books, the possibility of them laundering money is extremely high, is it not?
Yeah.
okay. You know, if Brady somehow, if he got a peek at those books, oh, the hell, he figured out the scam, and if he did that, he's got enough to put the squeeze on Art.
And Art imports Aragon to take care of the problem.
I wouldn't pick the son of a bitch up.
You'll have a warrant before you hit the street.
Excuse me. Can we give us a minute here, please?
What's up? What's going on?
Got a few questions I'd like to ask you, if you don't mind.
Questions?
Questions about the murder of John Brady and the disappearance of Cindy O'Malley.
What are you getting so heavy about? I mean, I'll answer your questions.
Good.
I want to get at the bottom of this
Let's
just like
start
you.
with this one. Where's Aragon?
Aragon? Who?
I'm going to prove that you hired Aragon to kill Brady. That I will prove. You follow me? Now, I want to know where the hell he is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I think I better call my lawyer.
Yeah, I think you better.
X-ray technician on call. Please call the emergency. X-ray technician, call the emergency.
Hi.
Hi.
Could you tell me what room Cindy O'Malley's in, please?
O'Malley? Room 128 West.
Thank you.
Hi. Great news about Cindy, huh?
What news?
About Cindy being found. Oh, didn't I tell you? What the hell is going on?
Darling, where's Cindy? Where is she?
Mercy Hospital, they called.
Frank, I want cops all over that hospital. You tell them to move Cindy to another room.
Got me down right away.
All right.
Inhalation therapist to ICU. Inhalation therapist to ICU.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry, but we have orders to clear this area.
Certainly.
How you doing?
running down the corridor. I'll take it. Holster the gun.
can't believe it was Art.
Yeah. Well, don't you even think about him, okay? Because I'm going to put him away for life.
Hello.
Oh.
Can we come in?
Yes, please.
You like the flowers?
Ta-da.
Please
They
say
are
yes.
beautiful. Thank you.
Can I put them here?
Yeah. Great.
How's it going?
Great. Every time I turn around, you guys are bailing me out. I don't know how I'm ever going to be able to pay you back.
Oh, don't worry about it. I think we'd pay you to spend time with Caitlin.
Yeah, listen, I was thinking if you ever need any money to babysit,
Call us.
Oh, thank you, but I couldn't.
We'd do anything for you and Caitlin.
That's right.
Anything?
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, she could use a clean diaper.